All right, guys, we're gonna do a little video on options, tuning, what you get, what you need, stuff like that real quick. So this is what you're gonna get from Ace without the X300. I just put a little piece of paper or something like that under here, kind of put tension, and then it goes on. Actually, you gotta put it before. You can glue it too, but I personally just like to have it very tight and not worry about it. So this is what you get from Ace. You pull this out, and then you have this. Once you have this, then my options that you get with me are gonna be different triggers, mag releases, gas pedals, different pieces for your fire control, all sorts of different stuff. I like these the most for the 2011s and these for all the others, but you get everything. That way, once you get your platform, whether it's this or this or this, you can still kind of play with the stuff in that. So, you know, it goes back and forth. So you have your CZ Shadow, and you have your proprietary mag release on these. I really like them because it's like the natural one. And you put it in, make sure it lines up, and kind of float this back and forth until you can see it's moving. And then you set your pins and you're ready to go. But you don't want that, you know, you usually want the curved trigger for the CZ. Same thing for the small CZ. And here's for the Glock. So I did something new with the Glock, as you can tell, is it's got the big competition magwell. Absolutely love it. What you have to do to make these fit on any of yours is you have to Dremel right here a little bit. Just make it straight and then straight instead of the flare. And so I take a Dremel and I just straight from here and then right here. And once that's straight, I can put the big flare on, or I can put the tactical magwell on, and they go great. But yeah, it depends on which one you're wanting to work with. I personally am now pretty, I'm liking this one. You have to kind of put it upside down and press it out. Here, I'll do it off camera, sorry. All right, so it's tight. I usually am going to epoxy these. Once I epoxy them, they're not coming off. But yeah, tons and tons of options. And I can walk you through any tuning or anything like that. I've got mod lights. I've got the X300s. I've got TLR1s, TLR7s. I've also got the afterburner comps. And I like to epoxy these on. They're also obviously cosmetic. And then the rifle. My rifles come with a actual AR-15 buttstock assembly. That's adjustable. And this isn't glued on right now. Once you put my fire control in, this is just like a real setup. So you have your, and I'm gonna make this ambidextrous, so safe, fire. Actually, it's not in. So this has to, this fire control just got stuck because it's gotta be pressed in properly with the bracket on the trigger when you install it. So when you go straight down, that's when you actually get the proper installation. So you have now your take up, break, reset. Take up, break, reset. But yeah, this has to go straight down in. I'm probably canted it when I did it, but it's got to go straight down in and you'll feel it. Safety. So see, it didn't seat. So you got to press it back up. Safe. Press it straight down on. Off safe. There we go. Thanks, guys.